All right, so today we're going to be unboxing the Beard Club Advanced Beard Growth Kit. And this is one of those products that actually feels like a full experience right out of the box. So, right when you open it, the first thing you're going to notice is how put together everything looked. It's not just randomly items thrown in, it feels like an actual system, or better yet, a gift. Inside, you get a Derma roller, growth oil, beard vitamins, vitamin spray, beard shampoo, and a Boar bristle brush. And everything has that clean, masculine look with a really nice cedar scent. It's not overpowering, it's just fresh and really woodsy. So here's how everything's gonna work step by step. The Derma roller is probably the most interesting part. It sounds intimidating, but it's actually super easy to use, guys. You just lightly roll it over your skin, and it's meant to help stimulate that beard growth. Then, pairing that with the growth oil, which absorbs really nicely and not greasy, and the vitamin spray, you can tell it's designed to work all together instead of guessing what to use and when. The beard shampoo will lather really well, and it's going to leave everything feeling clean without drying it out. And the Boar bristle brush helps evenly distribute the oil and keeps everything looking more groomed. We were sent this box to test out. My husband and I both agree. This is a great mix of grooming and growth support.